Hello and welcome. Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating and essential topics for your health: glutathione, also called the master antioxidant of the body. If you've ever wondered why some people seem naturally resilient to stress, toxins, and aging, glutathione plays a huge role. Glutathione is not just another supplement. It's a molecule your body produces naturally, responsible for detoxifying harmful substances, neutralizing free radicals, and supporting your immune system. By the end of this video, you'll understand why glutathione is critical for your health, how it detoxifies your body, factors that deplete it, and natural ways to maintain optimal levels. We will go deep, step by step, so you can truly appreciate how this tiny molecule has such a massive impact on your well-being. So grab a notebook, and let's embark on this journey inside your body. Glutathione is a tripeptide made of 3 amino acids: cysteine, glutamine, and glycine. These amino acids combine to form a molecule that is fundamental to your cellular health. Unlike many antioxidants, glutathione is produced inside your cells and is found in every single cell of your body. Its most important role: neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Think of free radicals as tiny sparks in a wooden house. If they're not controlled, they can cause a fire. This fire in your body is what scientists call oxidative stress. Glutathione doesn't just put out the sparks, it prevents them from starting in the first place. It also regenerates other antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, making your antioxidant network stronger. Here's a real-life example. Sarah, a 35-year-old teacher, felt constantly fatigued and was catching colds often. After testing, her doctor found low glutathione levels, which explained her oxidative stress and weak immune system. By incorporating glutathione-supporting foods and lifestyle habits, Sarah gradually regained energy, her immunity improved, and she noticed better mental clarity. This shows that glutathione isn't just a lab concept, it has real, tangible effects on daily life. Glutathione detoxifies your body through multiple mechanisms, which we'll break down carefully. 1. Binding to toxins. The liver is your body's primary detox organ. Glutathione helps the liver convert fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble compounds, making it easier for the body to eliminate them through urine or bile. This process is called conjugation. For example, heavy metals like mercury and lead are dangerous because they accumulate in tissues. Glutathione binds to these metals, forming complexes that your kidneys and liver can safely remove. Without sufficient glutathione, these metals accumulate, leading to brain fog, fatigue, and even long-term organ damage. 2. Neutralizing free radicals. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that can steal electrons from other molecules, causing cellular damage. Glutathione neutralizes free radicals by donating an electron, stabilizing them, and preventing a chain reaction. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that glutathione supplementation reduced oxidative stress markers in older adults, supporting the idea that it's a critical anti-aging molecule. 3. Supporting liver function. Your liver constantly filters out toxins from food, drinks, medications, and the environment. Glutathione acts like a cleanup crew, ensuring harmful substances are neutralized and eliminated. People with liver issues, such as fatty liver disease, often have low glutathione levels, highlighting its importance in liver health. 4. Regenerating other antioxidants. Glutathione works synergistically with other antioxidants. Vitamin C, for example, can neutralize a free radical but becomes oxidized in the process. Glutathione regenerates vitamin C to its active form, enhancing overall antioxidant defense. 5. Protecting against heavy metals. Heavy metals can accumulate in the body and damage organs over time. Glutathione helps bind and remove these metals, reducing long-term health risks. For instance, mercury exposure from seafood can be detoxified more effectively when glutathione levels are optimal. Even though your body naturally produces glutathione, many modern lifestyle factors deplete its levels. Poor diet. Diets high in sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats reduce glutathione production. Chronic stress. Stress increases free radicals, consuming more glutathione. Environmental toxins, air pollution, pesticides, and chemicals in personal care products increase demand for glutathione. Alcohol and smoking both increase oxidative stress, reducing glutathione reserves. Aging. Glutathione naturally declines with age, which is why older adults are more prone to fatigue and oxidative damage. Here's another story. Mark, a 50-year-old construction worker exposed to heavy metals, had persistent fatigue and joint pain. Tests revealed low glutathione levels, likely due to both occupational exposure and aging. By addressing these factors through diet, exercise, and supplementation, Mark gradually improved his energy levels and detox capacity. Fortunately, there are effective natural ways to boost glutathione. 1. Glutathione-rich foods. Certain foods contain glutathione or its precursors. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, allium vegetables, garlic, onions, leeks, spinach, and asparagus, high in glutathione precursors. Avocados provide healthy fats that support liver function. 2. Sulfur-containing foods. Cysteine is a key amino acid in glutathione synthesis. Foods like garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables supply sulfur, which is essential for production. 3. Antioxidant-rich foods. Vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium support glutathione regeneration. Include citrus fruits, nuts, seeds, and Brazil nuts in your diet. 4. Exercise. Moderate exercise increases glutathione levels and reduces oxidative stress. Studies show that regular aerobic exercise boosts both glutathione production and antioxidant enzyme activity. 5. Quality sleep. Glutathione production peaks during deep sleep. Lack of sleep reduces detox efficiency and immune function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep each night. 6. Targeted supplementation N-acetylcysteine, NAC, a precursor that helps replenish glutathione. Alpha-lipoic acid regenerates glutathione and supports liver health. Whey protein provides amino acids necessary for glutathione synthesis. Maintaining optimal glutathione levels may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Heart health reduces oxidative stress in arteries, preventing atherosclerosis. Brain health protects neurons, potentially lowering risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Immune function supports white blood cells to fight infections. Liver protection shields liver from toxins and supports regeneration. Cancer prevention helps neutralize carcinogens, reducing cancer risk. A study in Free Radical Biology and Medicine found that people with higher glutathione levels had lower markers of inflammation and oxidative stress, highlighting its protective role. Here's a practical routine to maximize glutathione. Morning. Start with a green smoothie, spinach, kale, avocado, and citrus. Take a brisk 20-minute walk or do light yoga. Afternoon. Eat a meal with sulfur-rich foods, garlic, onions, cruciferous vegetables. Include a source of selenium, Brazil nuts or seeds. Evening. Light exercise or stretching. Reduce screen time before bed to improve sleep quality. Ensure 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep for optimal glutathione regeneration. Weekly tips. Include cruciferous vegetables 4 to 5 times per week. Limit alcohol and processed foods. Hydrate to support liver and kidney detoxification. Myth 1. Oral glutathione supplements are fully absorbed. Most are broken down. Precursors like NAC are often more effective. Myth 2. High glutathione cures all diseases. It supports health but is not a magic cure. Myth 3. Only supplements boost glutathione. Diet, sleep, and exercise have greater impact. Exciting developments include glutathione and longevity. High levels may slow aging. Neurological diseases. Brain-targeted glutathione therapy could protect cognition. Personalized medicine. Genetic variations affect glutathione production, allowing customized approaches. Glutathione is your body's master detoxifier. By neutralizing free radicals, supporting liver function, and regenerating other antioxidants, it plays a vital role in health, energy, and longevity. Natural support through diet, exercise, sleep, and lifestyle is the most effective way to maintain optimal levels. Supplements can help in specific situations, but daily habits are key. Detoxifying your body naturally is a consistent process, and glutathione is at the heart of it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone interested in natural health and vitality.